If you want to make a cover letter, then you can utilize Microsoft Copilot to do so. So I'm going to go around onto the creative mode right here, and I'm going to go around and say I am a graphics designer applying for TutorTube Studios. Please write a cover letter for me. So just like this, I'm going to go around and press enter right here. Then what happens is that it writes a draft cover letter for me, as you can see right here. So you can see that this is what you have. So it has my name, hiring manager, and it writes a cover letter, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is what you can do. So let's say I want to format out this cover letter. Well, in that case, I can also ask it to generate this out as a HTML file. So I'm just going to go around and say make this cover letter in A4 sized paper using HTML and make use of colors and formattings as well to make it look attractive right here, just like this. So let me just go around and do that. So what happens is that it takes this cover letter right here now and then gives an HTML code right here with the contents of the cover letter, just like this. So you got to wait for a while right here, and then the cover letter is almost finished, as you can see right here as I go around. So you can see that it goes around and defines out the CSS and then adds in header, adds in the content right here. So it does take a bit of time, as you can see right here, and you gotta wait. So now you can see that it has completed the design. So I'm just going to go around and copy out this particular code right here and then bring it out into let's say Notepad, and then I'm going to go around onto file and save as, and on my desktop right here, let me just go around, select all files and type in cover.html, for example right here. So once I go around and do that and close on my desktop, I got cover. So let me just open this out, and there you go. On the A4 size paper right here, you got the cover letter that I can go around and print. Of course, I have to go around and edit this out, but I can go around, copy this into other application like Microsoft Word, replace out the content, and then print out the cover letter. And that is how you can go around and generate out cover letter as you like. By using Microsoft Copilot. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.